Welcome guys, today I'm with Sony WI-C200 wireless earphones and I'm gonna show you how you can enter pairing mode in this device. So at the first, just take a look. My device is turned on and just take a look on the indicator right here. When I click on the volume button, it's blinking, so it means the device is activated. So we have to right now turn it off by using the volume button, so click and hold it. Okay, and right now we have to do the same until this indicator starts blinking quickly on blue. So let's make it right now. Click and hold. Keep holding. And right now it's blinking. You will also hear the voice notification and the earphones. So another step, take a look. Let me catch focus. Okay, here we are. So as you can see, after a few seconds they just appear on the list, but if you still cannot find them on your phone, you have to power off Bluetooth, then power on back. And right now for 100% you will get this device on other devices list or on available devices list. So another step is to simply click on it and just accept pairing request. If you get this kind of the notification on the iPhone, you don't have to, but on the other Android devices you will get the request to pair or just to cancel. So that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.